How old is your HVAC unit? Is your home's air conditioning able to handle the grueling Texas heat? Did you know that heat is extra hard on your kids? According to pediatricians, children generate 20 to 25% more heat for their body weight than adults do. So, when your HVAC stops working, it might be uncomfortable for you, but it can really make your kids sick. Please don't risk your children's health this cooling season. Call the pros, the air repair pros, and make sure that your system is up to date and can handle the scorching Texas heat. Just call and schedule an appointment today to find out if your system is capable of handling what you know will be another record-setting summer heat wave. We'll fix what's wrong, and we'll help you to learn all of your HVAC options. So call the pros, the air repair pros, to find out if your kids will be both comfortable and safe this summer. Both you and your kids will be glad that you did, I promise.